Audi TT Sunday Breakfast Meet at Ockham Bites.
Hi all, Ad here and welcome back to the channel. It's just before 7 AM on a Sunday morning and I'm off for our second instalment of Ockham Bites of the year. Now we had 60 cars turn up back in August and the event has grown a little bit since then, so I'm hoping today, without knowing how many people are coming, that we're going to be nearer 3 figures. Yep, 3 figures of Audi TTs. That's not just Mark 1s, no, it's Mark 2s and Mark 3s. I've got a couple of pit stops on my way this morning. I'm stopping first at Blue Boys to meet some fellow TTs, and then we're going to push on to Clackett Lane and meet up with a few of the guys from Essex and a few other Kent guys. So let's get on with it.
For those unaware of Ockham Bites, it is a small country park literally just off the A3 as soon as you join from the M25 at junction 10. Car Chris, Dom from the Parent Bros and myself held a breakfast meet here back in August with 60 cars, and a link to that meet video can be found in this video description if you want to see the last meet we held. After stopping at Clackett Lane to meet up with another 20 TTs, we rolled on towards Ockham, where we were totally blown away by the attendance. The car park was already filling up 30 minutes before the official meet time. A massive thank you should go out to all of you for making these meets so amazing. The people are what make these events so great, and everyone is approachable and friendly and only too happy to talk about their cars. It was great to see so many old friends, as well as welcoming so many of you for the first time. Many people told me this was their very first TT meet, and I hope you enjoyed it. There will be many more to come next year, and we are hoping to squeeze in at least one more before year end, back at Route 1066 on the A21. An upcoming event video should be out later this week. Anyway, a massive thanks once again for being part of this, and enjoy the cars.
Everyone chatting TTs. Welcome to Ockham Bites yet again, and this time we're absolutely smashed out with cars. It sort of blows my mind to think that we've got this many cars in the scene. Ben's great 3.2 Roadster. It's come all the way down from Sheffield today. What chaps?
Yeah. It's just, this is just one thing difference in the world. I just enjoy driving. When the Mark 1 come out started,
crazy number of cars.
good scan of the cars that have a lot.
Everywhere you look, Mark 1s, Mark 2s, Mark 3s, and there's something for everyone really, not just modded cars, not just standard cars, and there's some great stories I've heard. Look, a couple of great Moggies.
Speaking of stories, one of the owners of these 2 Avis Silver S-Line 225s told me an interesting story that is worth sharing, as he had owned this car from new. They were limited to 1 per dealership on release, and they were the forerunner to the facelift model that came out a year or so later. As the silver insert headlights and other items became standard on the facelift model, Audi actually refunded a portion of the purchase price to all owners that had bought one.
Quite a few red cars here today, which is unusual. And this is a new owner or a new guy to the TT scenes. First meet, how you doing?
Amazing.
Andy?
Nice to see you, man.
How you doing?
First car.
Yeah, nice car. Red and black, nice colour scheme.
Thank you. He has a problem on the vinyl though, since last week.
So you've done the vinyl, have you?
Yeah, I've done it myself. It took 12 hours to do all of it. But it has a few problems here. As you can see, some 2 bubbles after the first wash, after doing the vinyl.
You don't notice
But
that,
it's just a tiny thing.
Yeah.
But yeah, it looks pretty good. Really.
Lovely. Well, welcome to the TT world.
Thank you so much, man.
Grant's great Quattro Sport as always. Lovely car, this one. Oh, and another Quattro Sport next to it. In red. I haven't seen that one before. Into a Mark 2. And then star of the So Solid Crew video itself, Rappy's great Mark 3. The blue Roadster there. Roadsters. Parked up. Howards. Parked up. Another great Roadster. All Roadsters together in the sunlight. I thought that was Steve's, but it's not Steve's one. You can see you'd have Terry Turbo in the passenger seat. It's looking great. A 1.8 diesel. And it still goes some, I bet. It's in great condition. How long have you owned it?
Just before we did the London Brighton road.
Oh really? So you're brand new to it then? I didn't realise that was there. Shines up well, doesn't it?
Just being ceramic coated.
Oh, I was going to say, because keeping black cars clean is never easy, is it? Number 3.2. Hello mate, how you doing?
Not too bad, so.
Yeah, not too bad.
Well, turnout, don't
Great turnout, you can't argue with this. I know. Don't matter what time you get here today, I think.
Yeah, was I bought it last August,
Okay.
21.
So it's a Mark II.
Yeah, it's Mark 2, Stage 2 Plus.
Stage 2 Plus?
Yeah.
Oh, so what are you pumping out then?
270 with 331 foot-pound torque. It's a bit down on power because apparently the cat's too small.
Okay.
There's times to sell sports cat on there, but it's quite compact.
Nice.
It's got 345mm disc in front, S3 calipers.
Beauties in there. Now those wheels, are they classed as Le Mans wheels? Are they Le Mans style wheels?
Yes,
Because I have the same wheels at home for my Mark 1, but I took them off my Mark 1, so I put it back to standard.
These are from the factory, these ones.
Oh, are they?
So I think they're 19 by 8.5.
Oh, mine are only 18s.
And yeah, full red leather.
Right.
A little bit of carbon work. And yeah, leather door caps as well. With red stitching, which was a pain in the arse to do.
They're all playing the and a sub as well.
Yeah, nice little boot build going on.
Nice, yeah. Appreciate that. What a lovely laid out set of tools. Now that's not standard, is it? That
No, this I made that myself.
you've made all that on
made it
display.
myself.
Yeah, great,
And yeah, with the covers on, there's no loss in boot space whatsoever.
great, fabulous. Cheers, mate. Oh look, look at No's car. This must be Joe's car. Where he's gone. He's around. Now Joe's done an awful lot of work under the bonnet the last few weeks. He likes to tag us on Facebook quite a bit about what he's got going on. So he's replaced all the hoses. I think he's done the manifold done, charge pipe. It's all being done. Are you going or staying? All right. Nice to meet you again. All right. Thanks for coming, guys. Yeah, definitely. Hopefully there'll be, well, I'll say hopefully there'll be less cars. Hopefully there won't be less cars, but hopefully you'll get parked up all right. Cheers, mate. It's a bit of a... Hello,
insane,
mate.
Isn't it?
Yeah, I
Absolutely
know.
insane. I can't believe
It's
how many
crazy.
carnage, mate.
Just seeing your car over there. And then someone's come and ruined it all by putting a McLaren
What?
right in the middle of it. I
Number
wonder,
2.
so if we gave this a run against Paul's car, I wonder what the outcome would be. Paul, what do you reckon? Paul, what do you reckon? Yours versus this? Do you reckon you can have him?
Not to 60. I think they're. I don't even rate them. Even at that power, because you're not running any boost. You must know. If you look at the boost gauge, at first you don't get any boost, and then second gear you get a bit near the end.
I run a KO64.
Yeah.
There's a little bit of lag, even with anti-surge core. Like you said, when you hit the third, then the motor.
Yeah, this is an open car.
So this particular car, it's got a bit of a story behind it because young Sean has driven all the way down today from Leeds, and it's literally been on the road, what, about a week? Not even that long.
4 days.
4 days, just past its MOT.
Do you mind if I have a look?
With his Asbo wheels.
Not much to see inside, to be honest, but
Known as Bam Bam. So what colour is it? It's not. It's like a
Raven.
A raven, right? As I say, it's a sort
Raven
of
pearl. It's got the bronze
Yeah.
bronze
It's
pearl.
a bit of a different colour black, right?
Yeah, it's Raven. It's that pearl. It's like a bronzy pearl to it.
Yeah. Quite effort for coming down though, mate. Really appreciate it. Because that is a long way to
further than
come.
me, isn't it?
Yeah, well, I think you are. You and Ben, I think, are. Ben's coming down from Sheffield, isn't he? I think.
Sheffield. That's good. He came over me. This another Ben. He
Right.
came from the side of Leeds up there.
Did he? Oh, right. You come down together?
Yeah, if he come down with me, yeah.
Is that a standard 225, is it?
No, it's got the full exhaust on with the downpipe.
Okay.
It's Murano, same as Chris's.
Yeah.
It's got the pearl.
So I'm here with Chris's red Roadster. It's a 1.8 225,
yeah,
but he's had some bits
225.
done to it. So what have you had done to it?
So actually, shall I just pop the bonnet?
Yeah,
and
pop
you
the
can-
bonnet, let's have a look. So Chris brought the car to the motorist last time I saw him, so it's the first time I've seen the car since then.
Yeah, so actually the very next day after the motorist, it
Okay.
went down to Badger 5.
Oh wow, so you've had some significant work done to it then. So it's been stage 2.
It's stage 2, so we've got the Pro-Ram filter and the tip down there, and then a big cooler, which you can probably see through the bottom grill.
Yeah, I can see that. So which intercooler is that you've had fitted?
It's a Tour Sports welly cooler.
Okay.
And then full exhaust system, so from turbo back it's mostly Miltech,
Wow.
but a bit of fabrication from Alex. So
Okay.
yeah, so yeah, you can really tell the difference.
Really, I was going to say, what's the difference like? So
Yeah.
responsive and picks up well.
It's got so much more grunt, you know, so it's now got 280 brake.
Wow. 280.
pound-foot. And 275 horsepower, so it's so much better. Yeah.
Fabulous.
It's quicker. Yeah, it is great.
Great car.
Yeah, the trouble is resisting going to the next
What's
stage. That's the
forging rods and all sorts of things. Yeah.
That will be the next step.
Like on the 225, very soft.
I'll class this car as the Welsh Wizard. The Welsh Noggy. How far has your journey been today? Another monster journey?
3 hour.
3 hours. Great looking car. Ah, I think we need to do something about that sticker. Yeah, definitely grab one, definitely grab one. Just put it, I'd say I'd put it back here. Put it back there. Yeah, right, that's something, yeah. What a great turnout though, it's mad, isn't it? I mean, I thought Brighton was good for Brighton, but here it's like something else. It's a different level, yeah. 137, that's mad, isn't it?
I know. That's how we roll, isn't it?
Amazing, amazing.
There we go.
What a great effort.
This is Kyle.
Everyone?
This is everyone. I just tell them about the car. Yeah. So this was I picked this as the car of the meet, just because I think if everyone has a look around, they'll appreciate what you've put into it. Because it looks, you know what I mean? Yeah. Everyone, thanks for coming, and we'll try and find a bigger venue next time, yeah?
It's a 225, is it?
No, it's 180.
Oh, it's a 180, okay.
I modified the exhaust, so it's like...
Okay. So the colour scheme is your colour scheme?
Yes, that's my idea.
Oh, look at those seats, great seats.
No, it's the original seat with the cover. It's just a cover.
Oh, I see.
Yes, it's the original
I
seats
see.
are down there. It worked quite nicely with the colour.
Yeah. I didn't even realise they were covers.
Yeah.
Looks great. With a gator. So is this your very first TT meet today?
Yes.
Yeah, and what do you think so far?
I wasn't expecting that many people.
No, it's crazy. The number of cars we've got here today is out of this world. I think there's 137 cars here.
I've been trying to come to work for a long time.
Okay.
But this is my first one, and I wasn't expecting that many cars. It's good turnout.
Yeah.
I think Dom said last time there was just 60 and
60, yeah.
And
So
today it's like 140.
yeah, we've doubled it today.
Yeah.
So much work under the bonnet?
Not really.
No?
Air filter and dump valve. I clean it up though. Looks a bit tidy.
Yeah, nice. So I'm here with Alex, and this is Alex's car. Nice little short number plate on that as well.
Yeah.
So your seats, yeah, wow.
Yeah,
wow.
a lot of people come
Let's
to
have a look
those.
at these seats.
Yeah,
Wow.
got them about 3 years ago.
So they're not poles, are they?
They're not which
They're not pole position seats that have been recovered, no.
No.
So they're actually like something completely.
Yeah, they've been sort of completely fabricated to.
So you've had all you've had all these done, have you?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's right, yeah, that was sort of part and parcel of the offer.
Yeah, no, a lot of people commented on those because they didn't have they didn't have an upgrade on the Mark 1, so I kept sliding around in the standard seats.
Yeah.
And
so it's a 3.2, yeah?
3.2, that's right. Yeah. I've had a few slight modifications, you know, sort of sprayed the
yeah, so like the Quattro Sport look, gloss black.
And also back here, that's all gloss now and it's clean.
Bigger exhaust system on it, is that?
Yeah, that's an Edo 1, so I went to Germany for that.
Oh, okay.
There's a video on YouTube actually. We're going, so if you type in Edo 1, Audi TT.
Edo 1, okay. And is that a standard stock fit on that? Have you had anything done modified to get that to fit?
No, it's pretty standard. The company, they specialise in doing sort of VW and Audi exhausts.
And where did you get that fitted? Was that getting it done locally? Or?
No, in Germany.
Yeah, you took it to Germany to have it done?
Yeah,
wow, okay.
Did a road trip, it was a little video. Yeah, I've done little bits to it here and there since I've owned it. You know, I've owned it nearly 10 years now. There's a few other bits I want to do, but I'm just taking it easy, really.
Yeah. So you say you've done a YouTube on it? You did a YouTube on it?
I did a YouTube on it.
Oh, okay.
It's a very crude video. Yeah.
If I never got a chance to speak to you at Ockham Bites, then massive apologies from me. There never seems to be enough time in the day, but here is a selection of photos of as many cars as I could photograph during the early arrivals as possible. At 137 TTs, this has been the biggest event I have been a part of, and I know Dom, Chris and myself were blown away by the attendance. Making the effort in October with some of you driving for 4 or 5 hours is amazing. Ockham Bites has served us well over the last 2 breakfast meets, but due to popularity we may need to find a bigger venue for next year. There will be other meets in the meantime, including the meet already mentioned in late November at Route 1066 in Robertsbridge on the A21. Details will be in my upcoming events video and of course the Google Calendar that you can find on the Parrot Bros website. If you are aware of any other upcoming TT events or you're organising any yourself, then please do let me know via email. I'm always happy to publicise them on my channel and help get the TT message out to as many people as possible. It is often pointed out to me by subscribers that YouTube is the only source of information for upcoming meetings, as you are not on other social media platforms. If you would like to feature your car individually on my TT Meets TT series, then please do get in touch with me via email, which you can see on screen now, or you can find it on my channel homepage. Please do check out the selection of videos to see some of the great TTs from around the world. A link to that playlist is shown above. If you like what you've seen today, then please do give this video a thumbs up, as it makes a massive difference to us as content creators in getting our content shared with like-minded others. Please do also subscribe if you have not already done so for my back catalogue of previous TT maintenance and events videos, as well as being kept up to date with new releases. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon. Take care.